Hey everyone, it's Shweta, and I am thrilled to take you on an extraordinary journey today. Recently, scientists solved a big mystery. Why is this pink manta ray so pink? It's not the usual grey or black like other manta rays, but a vibrant, almost unbelievable pink. Researchers believe it's due to a genetic mutation, a subtle yet profound change in the genes responsible for producing pigments. This is an incredibly rare phenomenon, a whisper of nature's vast genetic tapestry, and this particular individual, a true marvel of the ocean, was first spotted in 2015. How cool is that? It makes one wonder what other secrets the deep blue holds. This stunning creature, a fleeting vision of rose amidst the azure, serves as our gateway to a land of unparalleled biological peculiarity. Australia, a continent sculpted by isolation, it has become a vast natural laboratory for evolution, cradling life forms so unique they seem to have sprung from a dream. The story of this pink manta ray is not just about one animal's curious coloration. It's an invitation to explore the remarkable biodiversity that flourishes both in the waters surrounding this island continent and upon its ancient sun-drenched land. Today, we'll delve into the mystery of this rosy giant of the sea and then venture across Australia to meet 7 other creatures, each a testament to the inventive power of the natural world. From the iconic to the utterly bizarre, these animals have adapted in fascinating ways to their specific corners of this vast continent. Prepare to be amazed by the ingenuity of life, the sheer variety of forms, and the intricate stories etched into the existence of each unique being we are about to encounter. This magnificent creature, affectionately nicknamed Inspector Clouseau by local divers for its rosy hue, glides through the waters off Lady Elliot Island, a jewel in the Great Barrier Reef. First sighted in the year 2015, its appearance baffled marine biologists. Was it diet, an unusual skin condition, or something altogether more fundamental? The initial theories were as varied as the colors of the reef itself, but recent studies, delving into the very blueprint of its being, point towards a rare genetic mutation known as erytherism. This condition results in an overproduction of red pigments, or an underproduction of darker ones, bathing the animal in this astonishing pink. It's a breathtaking sight, this gentle giant, sometimes spanning several meters. Not in the typical somber blacks or greys of its kin, but in a shade that speaks of sunrises and rare orchids. Imagine the surprise of those first encountering it, a splash of unexpected color in the vast blue canvas. Researchers continue to observe this individual, hoping to understand more about this genetic quirk and what it might mean for the manta ray. It serves as a vivid reminder that even in the most familiar of species, nature can still present us with profound and beautiful surprises, challenging our understanding and deepening our awe for the intricate workings of life beneath the waves. And now we turn our gaze to an animal that is perhaps the very symbol of Australia, the kangaroo. An extraordinary marsupial, it moves with a grace and power that is utterly captivating. Its massive hind legs, developed over millennia, are masterpieces of biological engineering, capable of propelling it across the vast, open plains at considerable speed, sometimes covering many meters in a single bound. This unique mode of locomotion, hopping, is not only efficient for traversing long distances in search of fresh grasses and water, but also a defining characteristic that sets it apart in the animal kingdom. The kangaroo's life is deeply intertwined with the Australian landscape. Females nurture their young, known as joeys, in a special pouch, a warm, secure haven where the tiny, underdeveloped offspring completes its development. This remarkable adaptation is a hallmark of marsupials, offering protection and sustenance in the often harsh Australian environment. Observing a mob of kangaroos, as a group is called, grazing peacefully at dusk or bounding effortlessly through the bush, one cannot help but feel the ancient spirit of this continent, a land where evolution has forged such distinctive and resilient creatures. Nestled high in the fragrant boughs of eucalyptus trees, we find another of Australia's beloved icons, the koala. Often perceived as a cuddly bear, it is in fact a specialized marsupial perfectly adapted to its arboreal, leaf-eating lifestyle. Its diet consists almost exclusively of eucalyptus leaves, which are tough, low in nutrition, and even toxic to most other mammals. To cope with this challenging food source, the koala possesses a specialized digestive system capable of detoxifying the leaves and extracting the maximum possible nourishment. This dietary specialization, however, means it must conserve energy, and conserve energy it does, spending up to 20 hours a day dozing peacefully amongst the branches. Its strong claws and opposable digits provide an excellent grip for climbing and resting securely even while asleep. When awake, it moves with a deliberate, almost thoughtful slowness. The koala's fluffy ears, large nose, and gentle demeanor have endeared it to people worldwide. But its existence is a delicate one, intrinsically linked to the health and availability of its eucalyptus forests, a poignant reminder of the intricate dependencies that shape the lives of these unique creatures. Prepare to meet one of the most perplexing and fascinating creatures on our planet, the platypus. This animal seems to defy all conventional categorization, a true evolutionary enigma. With its sleek, waterproof fur, it resembles an otter. Its broad, flat tail is reminiscent of a beaver's, and most strikingly, it possesses a soft, leathery, duck-like bill. This bill is not merely for show, it is a highly sensitive sensory organ, equipped with electroreceptors that allow the platypus to detect the faint electrical fields generated by the muscular contractions of its prey. Small crustaceans, insects and worms, hidden in the murky riverbeds. As if its appearance weren't peculiar enough, the platypus is one of only a handful of monotremes, mammals that lay eggs rather than giving birth to live young. The female incubates her small, leathery eggs in a nesting burrow carefully dug into the riverbank. Furthermore, the male platypus carries a secret weapon-sharp, venomous spurs on its hind ankles, capable of delivering an excruciatingly painful sting. This creature, a mosaic of seemingly disparate features, thrives in the freshwater rivers and streams of eastern Australia, a testament to nature's boundless creativity and its ability to craft life forms that continually challenge our expectations. Another of Australia's monotremes, and a creature equally as curious as the platypus, is the echidna. Sometimes referred to as a spiny anteater, though it is not related to true anteaters, the echidna is a marvel of adaptation. Its body is covered in a formidable array of sharp keratinous spines, modified hairs providing excellent protection against potential predators. When threatened, an echidna can quickly dig itself into the earth, leaving only its impenetrable back exposed, or curl into a tight, spiky ball, a truly effective defensive strategy, armed with powerful claws primarily for digging and a long, slender snout. The echidna is a specialist feeder. Its snout houses an incredibly long, sticky tongue, which it flicks out with astonishing speed to lap up ants, termites, and other small invertebrates from their nests or decaying logs. Like the platypus, the female echidna lays a single soft-shelled egg, which she then incubates in a temporary pouch on her abdomen. This unassuming, yet wonderfully strange animal roams a variety of habitats across Australia, a quiet testament to the ancient lineage of egg-laying mammals that have survived and thrived on this isolated continent. Emerging from the subterranean world, we encounter the wombat, a stocky, powerfully built marsupial with an endearing bear-like appearance. These are creatures of the earth, master excavators renowned for their extensive and complex burrow systems. Equipped with rodent-like incisors that grow continuously and strong, broad claws, wombats can dig through soil and even obstacles like tree roots with remarkable efficiency. Their burrows, which can be many meters long and have multiple entrances and chambers, provide refuge from predators and the extremes of the Australian climate. Wombats are primarily nocturnal herbivores, grazing on grasses, sedges, herbs and roots. A fascinating and rather unique characteristic of the wombat is its cube-shaped scat. It's believed that this unusual shape helps prevent the droppings from rolling away, allowing wombats to mark their territories effectively on logs or rocks. Though they may appear slow and cumbersome, wombats can move surprisingly quickly when necessary. These sturdy, resilient animals are an integral part of their ecosystems, their burrowing activities aerating the soil and sometimes even providing shelter for other, smaller creatures. Our journey now takes us south to the island state of Tasmania, the last refuge of a truly formidable marsupial carnivore, the Tasmanian devil. This creature, the largest of its kind remaining in the world, is renowned for its stocky, muscular build, its incredibly powerful jaws capable of crushing bone, and perhaps most famously, its unearthly screeches and growls, particularly when squabbling over a carcass. These vocalizations, which can sound quite terrifying, are a key part of their social interactions and feeding behaviors. Primarily a scavenger, the Tasmanian devil plays a crucial role in its ecosystem, cleaning up carrion and thus helping to maintain a healthy environment. It will also hunt live prey, such as small mammals and birds, if the opportunity arises. Sadly, this unique animal has faced a devastating threat in recent decades: devil facial tumor disease, a contagious cancer that has significantly reduced its population. Intensive conservation efforts are underway to protect this iconic species, a fierce yet vulnerable inhabitant of Tasmania's wild landscapes, embodying the raw, untamed spirit of this unique island. And finally, we meet an animal that has earned the delightful moniker of the happiest animal in the world, the quokka. This small cat-sized macropod, a relative of kangaroos and wallabies, is found primarily on a few islands off the coast of Western Australia, most notably Rottnest Island. Its fame comes from its seemingly perpetual smile, an endearing facial structure that, combined with its typically curious and unafraid nature around humans, has made it an internet sensation. These little marsupials are truly captivating to observe. Quokkas are herbivores, feeding on a variety of grasses, leaves, and shrubs. They are predominantly nocturnal, resting in dense vegetation during the heat of the day and emerging in the cooler evenings to forage. Like other macropods, female quokkas raise their young in a pouch. Despite their friendly appearance, they are wild animals, and their island habitats are crucial for their survival. The quokka's cheerful countenance serves as a charming reminder of the incredible diversity of marsupial life in Australia and the joy that discovering these unique creatures can bring to us all. Australia truly is home to amazing animals. The mystery of the pink manta ray, that glorious splash of unexpected colour in the ocean's depths, and all these unique creatures we've encountered today, from the mighty kangaroo to the ever-smiling quokka, showcase just how diverse and endlessly interesting nature can be. Isn't it fascinating how different environments, the vast oceans, the arid outback, the lush forests, lead to such incredible and varied life forms, each perfectly sculpted by the hand of evolution? Each animal we've met tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the sheer wonder of the natural world. The platypus, a delightful jumble of features, the echidna, a spiny specialist, the wombat, an earth-moving architect, and the fierce Tasmanian devil, they are all irreplaceable threads in the rich biological tapestry of this continent. Their peculiarities are not mere quirks, but keys to their existence, strategies honed over countless generations to thrive in their specific niches. It's a vivid illustration of life's incredible ingenuity. As we reflect on these marvelous beings, it's my deepest hope that this journey has not only entertained but also deepened your appreciation for the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. The world is full of such wonders, and it is our privilege to share it with them and our responsibility to protect them. Thank you for joining me, Shweta Rana, on this exploration of Australia's unique wildlife. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wondering, and keep cherishing the natural world around us.